Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I have a story for you guys because we have a cruise passenger that was caught with a loaded 9mm pistol. But what makes this story scary is she wasn't caught on embarkation trying to get on the cruise ship with a 9mm pistol. No. She was caught with a loaded 9mm pistol during disembarkation. She had already gone on the cruise with this pistol and was caught getting off the ship. So back on December the 4th in the port of Palm Beach, Florida, sailing on Margaritaville of the Seas, it was a 4-night cruise, embarked on December the 4th, disembarked on December the 7th. And in a routine check by Customs and Immigration, while getting off the ship, they put her bag in an x-ray machine and bam, loaded 9mm pistol. That means she had it with her during the entire cruise. Now, of course, this immediately brings up a really big question. How did she even get it on board the ship? If you check a bag in, it goes through an x-ray scanner. When you personally go through security, any carry-on bags you have go through an x-ray machine. You yourself go through the metal detector. That's normal procedure for embarking on a cruise ship. However, she still got it on board the ship. Now, cruise ports, unlike airports, don't use the TSA. Cruise ports hire their own security companies. Now, in this case, it's Wiser Security Services that provides security at the port of Palm Beach. And of course, they have now been put on probation. They are now having to go through and figure out, how did this happen? Why did this happen? How did this lady get on board a cruise ship with a loaded weapon? Is this security company even gonna maintain and retain this security contract? All of this is under investigation. Now, the loaded 9mm pistol was loaded with 8 rounds, was confiscated from the woman. She was not arrested at this time, so what consequences she may face, nothing has been said as of yet. But someone's gonna have to answer for how this gun got on there. I mean, we have stories about, people getting caught with toy guns. We just did a story about a toy gun for Christmas present being confiscated from a cruise passenger. Now we have a story of someone who actually got on board with a real one. And I know there's responsible gun owners out there. I'm a responsible gun owner, but I still wouldn't take it on board a cruise ship. And there are stories that come off of cruise ships. Too much alcohol is served. You have fights. You have arguments. There's been a story recently of, someone getting stabbed with a broken bar glass in the main theater. These are types of situations where you don't need loaded firearms on board a cruise ship. They're prohibited items anyway. You definitely don't want one in that type of situation. And now here we are with the story of a lady who cruised with it for the whole cruise. So we're gonna have to wait and see what's gonna happen to the security company. Are they going to be able to correct their deficiencies? Are they gonna be able to keep this contract? What's gonna happen to the lady who was caught with the weapon? Like I said, everything is still currently under investigation. But there you go. I mean, even with the prohibited items list, even with security, somehow she still got it on board. Somebody probably gonna lose their job over this. They say the officer in question has been reassigned for retraining. I don't know if that's just, something they said and something else is gonna happen, because look, at the end of the day, somebody let a gun on a cruise ship. Somebody is gonna have to face those consequences. All right, and I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video today. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.